Welcome to this tutorial on understanding your net worth in the budget game. Calculating your net worth. The net worth calculation is quite easy. It's your total assets minus your total liabilities. In other words, your net worth is the difference between what you own and what you owe. Assets are the valuable things you own that have a monetary value and can be sold or used to generate income. In the budget game, your net worth includes your balance in your checking and savings accounts. For example, if you had a checking account balance of $1,981.21 plus a savings account balance of $744.86, your total assets would be $2,726.07. Liabilities are the debts and obligations you owe to others that you must pay back. In the budget game, your liabilities include your credit card balance, as well as the outstanding bills you must pay every month. If you missed a payment, your liabilities would also include any fees or interest payments you owe to your creditors. Outstanding bills includes your rent, your cell phone, your energy bill, TV and internet, car insurance and car payment bill, as well as your health insurance and student loans if you're playing in full-time mode. All these expenses added up together is what you need to subtract from your cash and savings to know your overall net worth. If you owed $465 on your credit card, plus you had $2,036 in outstanding bills, your total liabilities would be $2,501. Subtracting your liabilities from your assets, you would only have a net worth of $225.07. Your net worth is not a fixed number. Think of it like a snapshot you take of your financial landscape at a moment in time. By tracking your net worth, you can keep track of your progress towards achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching.